In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate your online course from Kajabi to Gohighlevel. We'll be doing this directly inside your Gohighlevel account, and the process is fairly straightforward once you know where to go. The main goal here is to use Gohighlevel's built-in Kajabi import option so you can bring your course over without manually rebuilding everything from scratch. To get started, log into Gohighlevel and make sure you are inside the correct sub-account. This is important because courses, products, and memberships are managed at the sub-account level, so you want to confirm you're working in the right place before you begin importing anything. Once you're in the correct sub-account, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Memberships. This will take you into the area where your course content and learning products are managed. From there, go to the top menu and click on Courses. That opens up the course management section where you can create, organize, and import course content. Next, click on Products. Inside the Products area, select Create New. This is where Gohighlevel gives you different options for building or importing a course product. From the available choices, click on Import from Kajabi. This tells the platform that instead of creating a course manually, you want to bring one in from your Kajabi account. You'll now arrive at the Kajabi import screen. This is where you'll enter the details needed for the connection. Start by adding the email address associated with your Kajabi login, then enter your Kajabi password in the password field. After that, type in your Kajabi domain. Make sure you enter the correct domain for the Kajabi account where your course is hosted, since this is what helps Gohighlevel locate the course content you want to import. Before moving on, it's a good idea to double check everything you entered. Make sure the email is correct, the password is accurate, and the Kajabi domain is formatted properly. Small typing mistakes here can prevent the import from working, so taking a few extra seconds can save you time. Once all the required information is in place, click on Import Course. At that point, Gohighlevel will begin pulling in your Kajabi course. Depending on the size of your course and how much content it includes, the import may take a little time to complete. After it finishes, you can review the imported product inside your Gohighlevel courses area to make sure everything came across as expected. And that's how to migrate your online course from Kajabi to Gohighlevel.